Just have movie James Bond, right? Remember that? They go down here.
They really show it?
No, yeah, they make a movie in James Bond. Daddy over here. All of us over here. See?
My legs is like shaking.
If that falls down, we're gonna get sued.
Dana, don't you feel like your legs shaking? Just looking at the bottom. Brian, this wall goes straight down. This one. Brian.
I know, looks so scary, huh? Look at that. Wow. They're gonna build a bridge over there, huh?
Dad, do you want to bungee jump out there?